We are now entering making a tour of the pastures where the cattle graze. As I told you earlier, I breed Ashers. An Asher is a good animal. It's a medium size. It doesn't have so much problems like other breeds that may be. But I prefer Ashers. They are good milk, good grazing. And that is the type of animal I keep here. I've bred them up to now. Mostly they are appendix. I've got a few pedigrees, and we are going ahead with that. They are good. They are giving me good milk. Maybe with an average of about 20 liters per day in the early stages of lactation. And I'm satisfied with that. So these are my Ashers. These animals are registered with Kenya Stud Book. They are all registered. And as I told you, some are appendix as per the register, some are pedigree. And I improved them from my local stock through AI service. These are all AI service. I have no bull. I don't keep a bull here. So we use the AI service for all the inseminations. Mostly we use the local semen with a few, maybe about 10% from outside the country. 90% from our local bulls through AI. With the local semen, I like them. They are very strong. They are very, they are adaptable to the environment. So there is no trouble of that the weather, the feeding, they are quite all right. With the inseminations, it is me who determines the bull I want to use. I go into the catalog, choose the bull I want to be used, and I use them. Mostly, I prefer having a good udder. The conformation of the body, that should be angular, with a straight back, those ones, and the legs, of course, have to be good. So it is the choice of bull that I will always choose. It is not the AI inseminator who chooses for me. I choose mine. So it's only a question of being familiar, having the catalog, and choosing the right animal for my animals. You choose the right bull. If you choose the right bull, you'll get the right product. That is the good calf. Now, I want to show you the calves that I have. I've got a few calves here. They are pedigree in their registration. So they are grazing. They have also grazing, and in the evening I give them hay. There's a lot of water in the lush grass. So I give them hay because they are dry. They'll help them in the digestion. Yeah. So these are all heifers. So with these ones, we do the deworming every month. Every month we do the deworming. Because of the lush grass they eat, they easily pick the worms. So every month I keep a dose. So you have to go through the animal, see if there are any fleas, if there are any ticks. So you check. But these ones, they don't have, because we sprayed recently on Saturday. So they are clean. Now, the spray kills the ticks and kills the fleas. You see? It's one. One spray kills everything. Every week, just to spray them.